Hey guys, welcome back to another Thomas video. And today I'm on the trampoline with, I'm on the trampoline, but with puppies. Don't worry, I don't jump with them, don't worry. Oi, shush. Here, chase a freaking goat or something. And yeah, look what they've done, by the way. Look at that hole, I can just like get a bit of it in there. And then look at this hole that Achilles is working on. Get out. I can actually fit through it. I'm in the hole. So today, yeah, I'm just gonna set the camera up here. There you go. That's a good one. No, not really. So yeah, do you want to say hi to the camera? No? Okay. Let's go. Kitty, this is Kitty. You see how high they can jump? Whoa. It's gonna go. Whoa! Ah! Puppy! Go get it! Oh! Forgot about the hole. Damn it! You like my haircut by the way? Pretty snazzy. What happens? Kitties never let Saul get the trick. How could you stay mad? Oh, I've got an idea. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I thought you scared the shit out of me. Oh, I had it like down one of the holes with a frisbee, and then I was just hanging it there, and then Thor just went scooting up, about to get my fingers. Oh, Thor, you're a scary motherfucker, right? Oh, that was so scary. Kitty, what's this, Kitty? Don't do it. I'm watching you, Thor. Look at them poking their little heads. What's this? See, Achilles knows how to get up, but he just doesn't use it. Look at Thor. Look at him. Watch out. Do you want help getting up, Thor? Do you want help getting up? Whoa. There you go. Whoa, what's this, Thor? What's this? They're just so cute puppies. Such a cute puppy. How long is this video? 3 minutes. Oh, that's fine. What am I going to go for? Here? This? Oh, the frisbee. Cat. I tripped you. Did you guys see that? Fucking ninjas, Thor. Woohoo! Woo! Achilles, what's this? See? Don't know why he isn't doing it. Achilles usually gets up through this hole. Hello, Thor. Do you want the frisbee? Gonna have to come up and get it. Sorry, mate. That's just how. What? Sorry about this, guys. You go, hang on. Thor, come here. Why are we barking? Huh? Why are you barking? Oh, Kitties, you sneaky little. Did you see that shit? Up. Oh. I'll put you inside. You don't like that, do you? Although he just like he looks at me when I say that in like complete dishope. Like I said he was barking, and then I said I'll put you inside. And he looked at me like, "What's that? Is that the people? You wanna say hi?" Whoa. Okay, you know you want to get down, don't you? Well, let's just jump. Let's just jump. We're gonna jump too high because it'll scare them. Wait, shut up. Yeah, they might fight between the trampoline because the kitty's just jealous. Sup, pups? What you doing? Chilling? Doing puppy shit? Cool. So I think